Hello, kindergartners. We are going to be on lesson 11-2. It's on page 631. All right, we are going to count to 50. So go ahead and get your paper out and count with me. All right, and there are some missing numbers in here, and we're going to try to figure out what they are while we're counting. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Ooh, what do you think would come next? 23, and we can double check to make sure, because look, there's a 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. There's threes. And this row all starts with 2, 2, 2. All right, so we have 21, 22, 23. What would come next? 24. This column all has fours. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And this row is the 20s row. 23, 24. What would come next? 25. This column all has fives. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And we are in the row of 20s. So we have 23, 24, 25. What comes next? 26. We are in the column of sixes. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. And we are in the row of 20s. So 26. And what's our last missing number? We have 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. We are in the column of sevens. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And the row of 20s. All right, let's keep counting. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. All right, we're going to be practicing counting to 50 today. All right, we're going to count aloud the numbers in the top row, and then we're going to count the numbers in the middle row, and then we're going to draw around the parts that sound the same. Okay, so let's see, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now let's look at this second row. What number do we say that's the same? What's the same in all of the second row? Let's count them. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What number did you hear that was the same? In all of those numbers I just said, which one is the same? The 3 is the same. We said 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Those numbers were the same. The tens place were the same, the 3. So now let's look at this next row. And we have 41, 42, 43. What number would be in the tens place for these missing ones? And they kind of have it there for us. And I see a 4. So this row is all the 4s. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. So this row all starts with 4s. All right, let's keep practicing this. All right, we have to find the missing numbers in our 50s chart. All right, so let's see, what would this number be? If we're starting in our chart, what's our first number? The number 1. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. What would come next? 5. 5 would come next. 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go down this column right here. And we're going to try to figure out if we can solve all of these green ones. All right, so we have 8. All of these end in an 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. So now we need to look at the tens place. What number is in the tens place in this whole row? Look at the tens place. Right here, 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 here. This one's missing. We'll come back to that one. Here, what's the number that's in the tens place? It's a 1. It's a teen number. So that's going to go in the tens place. So we have 8, then 18. Now what about this one? Let's look in our row. Let's see if there's any, look at the tens. What do we see that's the same in the tens place? 2s. I see a bunch of 2s. So I'm thinking that this one's going to be a 2. Let's count and make sure. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's right. All right, let's try this one. What do you think what number would be in the tens place? Let's look in our row. 3, 3, 3, 3. So what number do you think would be here? 3, 38. All right, let's check the last one in our green column. They all end in an 8. What number do you think would be in this tens place? Let's look at our row. Let's look at the tens place. What do they all have in common? 4s. There are 4s. So 48. All right, so now we have 8, 18, 28, 38, and 48. Let's go back up to this one. Let's find that missing teen number. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What do you think this one would be? 16. 16. And I can look and double check. There's a 6 in the ones place. 6, 6, and 6. So we know that the 6 would be in the ones place. 16. Now let's figure out the blue squares. We have 31, 32, 33, 34. What would come next? 35. And we can double check. There's 5s. So it's 35. Then what? 36. We can look in the ones place. There's 6s. And we're in the row of 30s. Now what would come next? We have 35, 36, 37. We are in the column of 7s and the row of 30s, 37. All right, so for number 6, I want you to look at this green column. What number is always the same? What number is always the same in our green column? When I look at this, I see that there's an 8 in all of the numbers. So let's write an 8. That's the number that's always the same in the 8 column. All right, let's look on number 7. I want you to find the blue boxes on the chart. And then I want you to circle the set of missing numbers. So we filled in our blues. Which one of these were the missing numbers? 34, 35, 36, 26, 36, 46, or 35, 36, 37? Which group of numbers was the number that we put in the blue boxes? So we have 35, 36, 37. So let's circle that group of numbers. All right, let's go on to our independent practice. So the first thing I would like you to do is write all of the missing numbers in the chart. So write all of those missing numbers, fill in all of the numbers. Then I want you to color the boxes of the numbers that have 4 in the tens place. So that means it's right here at the tens place. Okay, so color all of the numbers that have a 4 in the tens place. Once you're done with that, play the video and I'll tell you what to do for number 10. So for part 10, I want you to find and mark an X on the following numbers. So listen carefully to these numbers and you're going to cross them off. 35, 41, and 48. I want you to find those numbers and cross them off. 35, 41, and 48. All right, then the last one, number 11. I want you to look at the green column so you'll have this filled out, and I want you to write the numbers that are in the column. All right, write them right here. Write the ones that are in the column. When you're done with this page, go ahead and post it onto Seesaw.